Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Ali and we are here with another unboxing. I am super duper excited for this box that I have right now because it is a brand new box to my channel. I hope with all this coronavirus thing going on, I hope I can continue having it as part of my channel. But this is a seasonal box. This one, it was delayed in its delivery, I think because of everything that is going on. It just recently got to me, but this is the spring box. It is a seasonal box. This one is the spring box, so this would have been part of my March subscriptions. But it just got to me. Everything is being delayed. Everything is all over the place. But I don't mind. It got to me. It is here now. So the one that we have is this one here. It is the Causebox. So like I mentioned, this one is a seasonal box and it is, I paid $54.99. If you buy the box like individually, if you don't get the annual subscription, you are paying $54.99 per box, or you have the option to buy out an annual subscription, but you have to pay that one up front. I went ahead and just got one season, which is this one. Like I said, it's the spring. It is auto renewal. So I hope I can purchase the annual subscription before they charge me another box, because if you pay for the annual subscription, your boxes come out to $49.99 a box. Each box is said to be worth at least $200. So pretty much the name of the box is the Causebox, you know, with like the people that are subscribed to this box are pretty much supporting a cause. So I think that's the best way that I can put it. You get a little booklet. It has like a lot of different things in here, almost like the FabFitFun booklet. But this one, it looks like it also tells you a lot more of where their products come from. They have some recipes, they have some like lunch ideas, they have information on the items that we have as part of this box. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that aside. I can't wait to see what we got in here. So the first item that I'm going to grab, I'm gonna grab this one here. It is from Fostery and it is a necklace. This one's super cute. It is those two like the two layered necklace. The very first row on the top, it has like little faux like diamonds, and then down here is just a gold bar. So this one here, it says it's handmade in Colombia. It says this necklace was proudly and ethically made by members of a vulnerable population in Medellin in safe working conditions and compensated justly under a fair payment policy for labor. So this was handmade by somebody in Colombia. So this and this is super duper cute. So these are the type of things that we're going to see throughout the box. They're going to be made by certain people. They're going to help a specific type of cause. Here we're helping people in Colombia, you know, have a job. Up next, we have this one here. Is from Artisan Direct, Sustainably Grocery Starter Kit. So as you guys can see here in LA, I don't know if it's necessary all of California, but here in LA, we have to use our own grocery bags when we go to the store. And here we have like mesh bags. It says Grocery Starter Kit, and it is a set of 100% cotton bags. I just don't know if this is something where, you know, you can go to the grocery store and then put your groceries in here, or if it serves a different purpose. But I'm sure the booklet will have a little bit more information. So we have two like mesh like see-through bags, and then we have three of those. They're all different sizes, and then we have two that are solid, and they all have little tabs here on the side letting you know how much it can actually hold. It gives it to you in pounds and ounces and GM. I don't know what GM is. So these bags are the second item from the box. Oh, this is cute. We get a little postcard. It's just little flowers, and then in the back it's empty. So if you want to write a message, and then obviously to who. So this is cute. I'm gonna go ahead and put that aside. Up next, I'm going to grab this one here. It is from Earth Harbor. It's Aqua Aura. reparative eye cream, sweet collagen plus blue tansy, whatever blue tansy is. So this one here, it's supposed to restore and awaken for firmer, stronger skin around the eye area. So let's see what the little, oh, I was not expecting it to look like that. So this is the container, and this is the color of the cream. I've never seen an eye cream this color, and it does smell like organic. I mean, I don't know if it's organic, but it has like that scent, and that's what it looks like on the inside. So this is a pretty interesting looking eye cream. So I'm most definitely going to use that one. Up next, I'm going to grab this one here. It says on this tissue paper, it says Bent Go. I'm not exactly sure what that means, but it looks like we have a little bento box. So it is being held here by this strap. Oh, that is so cute. So when you take the lid off, you get some utensils in there. You have a fork, you have a spoon, and you have a little knife. And let's see, does it have anything else under? It does. It has this little like plate with two little compartments, but you can also take this out and you can just use this as a whole, like a whole thing. So, okay, so it has a picture here of how you can use it. So if you wanted to, you can use this and, make it like a 2-floor or like 2-story container. So you can put this one here. You can use this as your divider. You can put your second one on top, and then you can cover it. Oop. There you go. So you can have 2 compartments, or you can use just the bottom, or you can use just the top. This is actually pretty cool. So that is another item that we have in our box. Then up next, I'm gonna grab this one. It is from Calm. It says it's a mood mist. Cardea Outset. This one here, it says it is a gentle and natural way to enhance your mood through aromatherapy. Mist when you need a moment of relaxation before meditation and on your pillow for a good night's sleep. So let's see what this smells like. Oh, so this is what the bottle looks like. It doesn't really say what scent this is going to be, but let's spray to find out. That smells really good. It has like almost like an alpine, like a refreshing eucalyptusy kind of scent. Really green, but really good. I really like it. So I would like to spray this on my pillow, and I feel like it will help me go to sleep easier and faster. So I'm looking forward to this one. And I think that even just to kind of change the mood in a room, now that a lot of us are working from home, well, I'm not included, but there's a lot of people that are working from home. If you are working and you just need a moment to get away from your laptop, from your, whatever you are doing, I think by spraying this in the room and then just taking a moment to, just sit back for even 5 minutes and just breathe, I think this will come in really, really handy for that. Then I was leaving this one for last, but I have to take this one out before I can get to the last one. And I'm super excited for this one. I saw a spoiler about this bag here, and this is the reason why I ended up getting this box to begin with. This purse here, when I first saw it, I thought it was super duper cute. It's really, really soft. I think it is from Pixie Mood. That's what we have on here. And we have a strap. So this one, you can use it as like a crossbody, or it hangs low. But I thought it was super duper cute. Once you open it up, you do have a smaller compartment here. It doesn't have a zipper or anything. And then you have your larger compartment here where you do have a zipper. And you have another smaller zipper down inside, and then another smaller compartment, like a little slit on the side. So I thought this was super duper cute. And it was honestly, this was the reason why I got the box. So this one says it was designed with love, 100% cruelty free, and it is made with vegan materials. And then, oh, that's awesome. So the inside, it was made with, the lining was made from recycled plastic bottles. So, so this is what I mean, that, people are recycling, they're reusing things, and they are making such beautiful things that, that everybody else can use. And it is, taking away the plastic bottles from the landfill. They are taking it and repurposing them and creating something totally different that can be totally useful for a whole other person, just like this purse here. And like I said, this one comes with the strap, and I just thought it was super duper cute. So I'm super excited that I actually got this color also, because I think the other option was black, and I want to say like a light blue. So I got the tan one, and I really, really like the color. So then now the very last thing from the box is this one here. It says it is a 13-week wellness planner. Achieve more and live better through radical self-care. So this is in here. It says it features 13-week daily wellness and goal planner, 6-step personal self-care plan, start and end self-assessments, 1 day to a page layout, weekly plannings and habit trackings. So it's pretty much just a planner, but a planner for, for you to set goals for yourself. So let's see. Oh yeah. So that is the month. And then it has like little in between pages where you have to, personal to do, priority, work to do, hours of sleep, overall mood. So you're really tracking everything. I am grateful for top goal. This is pretty cool. Oh, and it even has your tracker of how many glasses of water you have. You can write down your meals, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, exercise, if you did any type of exercise. So this is pretty cool. You have, a lot of pages to plan out your day in your life. And so you can schedule some time for you. So with that one there, that is the last item. So let me see if I can go in here and see if they gave us any type of full, or like not full, but MSRP prices for the items that we got. Okay, so I do not see any MSRP prices in the booklet, but I did see they have a story for each of the items that we got in our box, just so you know where it comes from and how it's made, and pretty much, like for example, this is a necklace. This is a story of, of how the necklaces are made, where they come from, and all of that good stuff. They don't give us any prices, but that's okay, because I personally do think that it is at least $50 worth of things in here. I can maybe go onto their website and see if I find anything else there, but those were the items from this box. This is, like I said, the first box that I get from the Causebox. I thought we got some pretty good items, a lot different than what we have from the FabFitFun subscriptions. Similar but different. I actually really, really like it, and if it's helping a cause, then I don't mind paying the $49.99 or the $54.99, depending on which subscription you have. And then obviously for those of you that will get the annual subscription for this one, you also get to customize your box just like you do for the FabFitFun box. So let me know down in the comments below what you all think about this box. I think it's actually pretty awesome. With the products that considering the products that we got, and also thinking about how it's helping either somebody, the world, it's helping something. I think that that is great. So let me know what you guys think down below. So those were all the products from the box. I am all done for right now. I will be back really, really soon with another video, and I hope I will see all of you guys back here next time. Bye.